February 2nd is Groundhog Day. Groundhog Day is when the world-famous groundhog, Punxsutawney Phil, comes out of hibernation. If he sees his shadow, that means 6 more weeks of winter. But if he doesn't see his shadow, spring will be early. But why does he sometimes see his shadow and other times he doesn't? I got it. Let's make a craft to figure out this groundhog business. You will need a paper plate, a pencil, markers or crayons, and scissors. Be sure to ask an adult for help. Draw your best straight line across the middle of the paper plate. Then you're going to find the middle of the line, and you're going to make a half oval going up the plate like this. You're then going to ask an adult to cut the paper plate. You're going to go across the line, around the oval, and across again. So now your paper plate should look like this. You're going to take this half oval part, which is going to be our groundhog, and you're going to fold it backwards so that it stands up straight. So the paper plate part is going to be our grass and ground, and this is going to be our groundhog. So go ahead and decorate it however you like. Ta-da! Let's take our craft outside. You will notice if I place the plate in the sun, there is a shadow behind our groundhog. But if I place it in the shade, there is no shadow. So what does this mean? Shadows are formed when light is blocked. So when a solid or opaque object stops light from traveling through it, a shadow is created. This is why we don't see shadows in the shade. This means that when Punxsutawney Phil comes out from his burrow, if it's sunny outside, he will see his shadow, meaning 6 more weeks of winter. But if he doesn't see his shadow, that means it's cloudy outside and spring will come early. Great work!